Hi guys, today we came to another lovely and fascinating area in Sri Lanka that's well known by Sri Lankans as well as world travelers around the world. In my words, I feel that this area is just like a fairyland. Kithulgala, a small town in west of Sri Lanka. It is in the wet zone rainforest. Because Kithulgala gets 2 monsoons each year, it is one of the wettest places in Sri Lanka. A lot of people, local tourists as well as foreign tourists, come to Kithulgala to enjoy their lives with beautiful scenery, play in the river, jungle walks, adventurous waterfall jump and slides, whitewater rafting and many other things. Here I am on the Kalani River. When talking about Kithulgala, I think the Kalani River is the most important factor. The Kithulgala has got its priceless value because of the Kalani River.